Yeah, good morning. Good morning. I had my one breakfast. My one bread. I still have my other bread outside. Pero ito yung ref ni. Ito yung fridge ni Nancy. There are so many foods. And kung ano yung gutom kung ano yung gutom ko sa Pilipinas, ito yung busog ko sa busog ko sa sa Australia. Kung ano yung hindi ko natikman, ito yung matitikman ko na sa Australia. May ice cream, may may blueberries, may green peas, may bacon, lahat. Pinatay ko yung ref niya eh. Tingnan mo, grabe. I have to clean this out kasi ako rin kumakain dito. And she said that I'm very welcome to eat everything. And she even buys more food. Tsaka, she likes baking. And I love baking, but I never had the chance to bake. Nag-bake lang ako ng panettone. Dati nung nagtinda ako ng bahay-bahay. Kaya lang, syempre, ang lakas sa kuryente. Nasunog pa nga yung yung adapter ko ng oven dun sa Pilipinas. Kaya hindi na ako tumuloy ng baking. Tapos siya naman ngayon nagbe-bake. Ayan, there are there are 3 ovens here. And she loves baking. And naku, grabe. Ito yung binibake niya na hanggang ngayon kinakain ko. Kasi dalawa lang kami. Nag-share kasi siya dun sa community nila na ito. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito eh. Tapos, ito yung, ang sasarap ng bread na kinakain niya. Ay, na kinakain niya. Ang sasarap ng bread na niluluto niya. Wala akong masabi. As in, gusto kong kainin. Kaya lang, there's no space at all in my stomach. And I'm planning, I'm planning to lose weight a little bit. Na magwo-walk ako ng pakonti-konti kasi ito yung bahay niya. Malapit lang kasi yung city, yung parks, beaches, universities, tapos ano ba yun? Malapit lang lahat sa hospitals, home cares. Kaya ang swerte ko talaga dito. Kaya ito, ang pinaka-importante yung accommodation, yung food. And since I have money, I try to buy a little food that is nawala dito, so that she might want to taste it kasi I want to share something that she can taste na basta yun. I'm a very good person. I'm a very thoughtful person. Even it's just that I have nothing. I have no money. I'm just on a budget, but they know it. And they share it everything. They share everything. It's just that syempre matanda na sila. They have different character. They have they have different attitudes. But I can get along with them. Kasi ang bait-bait talaga nila. Ngayon, ito inaayos ko yung fridge ni Nancy. Tapos actually, dito sa mga covered, madami pa dyan. Ewan ko ba. Parang lahat ng hiniling mo, lahat ng bigkas mo yata sa Pilipinas. Gusto ko nga maiyak eh. Kasi lahat ng bigkas ko tingnan mo iba yung tsura. Lahat ng bigkas ko sa Pilipinas na sana, yung nandun ako sa Pilipinas. Sabi ko, sana makabili man lang. Kasi I never get into the market, in the supermarket, because I have no job. And I said to myself that I wanted to buy something for myself that I wanted to taste, or to buy like lotion. I don't know why I'm crying. Kasi grabe, parang sabi ko nga, I wish that I was living in Tondo, kasi I'm poorer than the people living in Tondo, kasi I'm like in that classification, kasi I have a husband. He spends food for us, but the food that he buys is not is has been my yearly food. So it's an everyday food. So I wanted, I'm not a very hindi ako masyadong expensive na person. I'm not a very expensive person, but I don't spend a lot. I know what I can have, I know what I can buy. But it's just that I wanted to have a job, because I wanted to buy something that I can deserve. I can tell to myself that I really deserve this. I have time to feel, to say to myself that I'm very lucky, I'm very beautiful. I s- I feel very I feel blessed. I feel I'm healthy and I smell good. Grabe, ito pa lang kahit makikita mo matagal na silang naka-stuck dito, you will feel na it is your it is what it is what it is what you have uh outspoken ba yun? It is what you have mentioned while you were in the Philippines. Ito yung mga nabanggit mo na, ito yung masasabi ko yung, ito yung mga nabanggit ko na gusto kong magkaroon ng, gusto ko nito, gusto kong blueberries, o kaya, kahit simple things eh. Kunyari, gusto ko ng lotion, gusto ko ng chinchansu, gusto ko ng, what do you call it? Bread, raisin bread. A raisin bread is important, kasi ito, nakabili ako ng raisin bread, pero do sa Philippines hindi ako makabili ng raisin bread, ng butter. Yon, the small things that I keep on mentioning like a hymn, or I want a butter, I want raisins, I want raisin breads, I want corns, green peas, or ice cream. Yung mga maliliit na bagay lang na kaya namang mabili sa Pilipinas, but no one is buying it for you. And here I am. I'm in Australia, and I have them already. I have them all. Na I'm taking this as my blessing, kasi especially dito sa accommodation, and the person that I'm living with is very 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 kind, very nice, very beautiful, and I can feel how she was grown up. She has she has grown up. Parang ako. Hindi ko masabi, I cannot express it, but what I can say, it's is I'm very lucky, especially Carmel, all of them, Auntie Shirley, Carmel Jones. Even it's not because they are giving me something. It's because they welcome me. They show who they are. They show what they can do. It's about helping. It's about here what I have, and then you can have it, or if you want, you can even borrow is a big thing. Kasi Kasi sa Pilipinas, even though if you have nothing, but it shows that there's something in them that they have a lot but they cannot give. Hindi ko na masabi yun. I cannot say it, but anyways, goodbye. This is I'm starting to clean up the fridge. Ang dami na. And last night pala, gumawa ako ng salad. Ngayon, and you know what? When I was outside 2 days ago, I passed by Subway and other shops that sells yung breads, long bread. Ano ba baguette. Tapos I wanted to buy, but I told to myself that it's although it's $6, but there's plenty of food here, so I'm spending a lot of money. So I'm going to eat some of her food since kasi si Nancy is a good eater. She is very fond of food as well. So she eats a lot when she was young. So ito okay, goodbye na. Ang dami ko na kasing gagawin. Bye. I'll show you more of Australia, and I'll show you what I do. When I'm outside, I'm going to show you what the streets looks like, what the houses looks like. It's like the celebrity houses. Grabe, ang gaganda. Iba-iba, pero ang gaganda. Kahit bungalow lahat sila. Pero sobrang, wala akong masabi. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit Bye! Bye!